Hello, I'm in a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you go on the driver's side, go down and find the lever like this that you pull on. Should feel a little resistance and hear like a pop sound. So it should be open now. So you can see what the other side of this looks like. It should be like a kind of like a cable that's a little tight. Maybe you can see it. I think you can see it there, yeah. So if that cable's not there for some reason, or it's not tight, you might need to go in and try to fix that, because that cable runs up to the actual hood. Alright, and then we're going to go up around and actually open it. Alright, so yeah, most vehicles, the lever's right around the middle. There it is. So in here maybe you can see it, it's right there. So we're gonna push it this way and then pull up. There you go. So that was the hook it was on. This. So if this is getting stuck, you might need to spray some like WD-40 or something on it, get it to loosen up, or readjust it so it's centered properly. Worst case, these parts aren't so expensive to replace. But that's it. And then luckily it's got this little hydraulic arm so I don't have to hold it up. When you're done, that's it. Hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.